Okay, we have Avalon Sailing Club on the 22nd of September. This is race 1. We have a start in around 40 seconds. We've got a pile of boats coming up behind our start boat, including one that decides to barge in but just got through in time. And at the far end we've got a Skeeter, 850 currently over the line, 1357 currently over the line. Down, way down low, 12747, which are not even in the picture, and another blue laser. Time to go?
5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Individual, that's Skeeter.
yeah, go.
Yep, go.
Go. Who was over the line?
Skeeter, has he come back yet? He's come back.
Oh, forget.
No, that's it. We're over. We're done. Okay, we have second start and about how long to go, roughly?
Oh, me now about 37 seconds.
30 seconds to go. Nearest boat to the line, 906. Line's still square and wind's going through about 90 degrees, but it seems to be working. Far end we have 850, just behind 906, 827. Then we've got Skeeter and a open skiff that's up on the line, 853 and 801.
2, 1.
Stay over one.
Restart.
Clear.
Oh, it's close. Stay over.
Away you go. Stand by. I got a lot of money on this one.
Can I get you to do a count of all the boats, please?
Yeah,
both of you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We have the third race for Avalon Sailing Club on the 22nd of September. Closest boat to the line is open skiff 12747 on port. Needs to get onto starboard so that he can get a good start on that. And we've got a crowd of boats coming up behind us here on the start line. Nearest boat 12747 currently over. Needs to get back behind the line. Seb needs to get behind the line. 827.
Forward again, Luke. Forward again.
Second on.
Yeah, you're over. Get out.
That was Seb.
That was.
12747, still not returned. 127427, still not returned. I don't think he's going to return actually.